Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's John here at Castro Oasis. And you guys haven't met Gunner, but he's the official inspector here at the shop. Today we have a very special vehicle. It's a Ferrari FF. It's a 2012. Stay to the very end of this video so you'll know all the cool facts that this car has and also how people that have this car should protect it. All right, so you ever wonder how to protect a car like this or any car that you care about? It's the Ultimate Armor Package. Full front PPF, that's paint protection film on the entire front of the car. So that means bumper, headlights, hood, A-pillars, mirrors. All of them get protected with paint protection film. And then over that, we put ceramic coating on the entire car to make it scratch resistant. All right, so to protect this car, the first step is to wash it. Then we detar, debug, we clay it, and then it comes to here where it's actually gonna receive a paint correction. So we're gonna use some compound, remove some scratches, some swirl marks, the imperfections of the paint, and then we'll be ready for the next step. If you're wondering what kind of transmission this baby has, it's a 7-speed dual clutch that will get you up to 208. That's right, 208 miles per hour. This is something you don't see every day. It's a V12, that's right. It's a V12, 651 horses with this car at 8,000 RPM, so she definitely screams. And this particular V12 has 504 pounds per foot of torque. So she definitely will pin you to the seat, and it also 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. If you ever wonder what the FF stands for, it's Ferrari 4. So what does that mean? That's four-wheel drive system. Yes, four-wheel drive system, and it's also 4 seats. That will make it a perfect family vehicle, and also for the winter. So when I said it was a family car, you probably didn't believe me, but look at this trunk. It has actually a massive room, especially for an exotic car. And they made 2,291. So if you're lucky enough, you could own one. It's not super rare. There you go, guys. Step number 2, after the paint correction has been already done, it's actually applying the paint protection film by Ceramic Pro. It's the best, not because I say it, but it's because it doesn't yellow. It's not gonna lift up or any of that, or crackle or any of that. It gives you a lifetime warranty that's Carfax verified. So that means that, God forbid, against an accident, it's still covered. The insurance will pay to replace it. When a car is, obviously, if it's ever sold, be a selling point. So important thing to notice here is that we're very attention to detail is one of the most important things to us. So we're going to be wrapping all the edges. The car is lifted not only for ease of installation, but that way we're going to be wrapping the PPF underneath, not here like most people do. It's literally going to be underneath, so the whole bumper is going to be protected. That's right, we have Gunner inspecting it, making sure that the paint correction is perfectly done, which it is. It's already super glossy, and the PPF, because it's infused with actual ceramic coating, it's gonna even make it pop even more, and it's gonna be a super high gloss red. So stay tuned for step number 3. All right, now that the paint protection film by Ceramic Pro is installed on the high impact areas, now the next step is ceramic coating. The ceramic coating goes in the entire vehicle. There's different packages. In this case, we're doing a 7 years. That means it's a 7-year warranty. That's Carfax verified. And that means we're gonna do a base coat and then a top coat. So if you're wondering if we do anything to the wheels, the answer is yes. We apply a ceramic coating specific for the wheels. Ceramic Pro makes a wheel ceramic, and what that does is to actually protects them. It gives you a high gloss, but more importantly, it doesn't let that brake dust really adhere to the wheel and damage the wheel, which also makes them easy to clean them up.
All right, the Ferrari is leaving. It's fully protected, so he will have peace of mind when he drives it. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. He's ready to get the key and ready to take a ride. So we'll miss it, but stay tuned for the next ones to come. We have a few ones that are gonna be very special, and I believe you guys are gonna really like it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let us know what that next project we would like to see. And like I said, there is a couple videos that will be coming soon that you are really gonna like it. So stay tuned.